Hello everyone, welcome to How To Videos. Do you know that you can change how your Google Chrome looks like? Let's see how can we do that. To customize Chrome, click on this button. You can set a color theme of your app through this set of options. Just choose one and they will apply. In case you want to get from the Chrome store, you can use this option. This was about applying themes. If you want to have a light mode or a dark mode, you can switch over here. Or if you want to have the device default settings for light mode and dark mode, you can choose device. You can change the color theme from here. If you want to have the default color theme of your system, you can use this button. Next is toolbars. Here you can just turn on those options which you want to be displayed over here. You can rearrange them if you wish. Next is shortcuts. Just go back and you will get shortcuts. You can turn on shortcuts if you want some shortcuts to be displayed on your new tab page. Shortcuts have some sub options, which is either my shortcuts or most visited sites. Currently, it's in my shortcuts. So, whatever shortcut I want to add, that will be over here. But if I want my most visited sites to be in shortcuts, I can choose this one. Hope you find this video helpful. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.